Welcome to 288 Rainberry, a 2021 built home that marries spacious living with eco-conscious design. Built by Lennar, this 2,270 square foot Lincoln floor plan features 4 bedrooms and 2 bathrooms, presenting a perfect blend of comfort and sustainability. Equipped with solar panels, the home stands as a beacon of energy efficiency, offering lower energy bills and a reduced environmental footprint. Its location on a conservation lot ensures privacy with no backyard neighbors, creating a serene and secluded atmosphere you really must see to appreciate. The property boasts a large, extended, and covered lanai, ideal for enjoying Florida's splendid weather, entertaining guests, or simply relaxing. The yard is fully fenced, enhancing both security and privacy. Inside, you will find a host of upgrades including neutral tile flooring, a dream kitchen with granite countertops, beautiful and plentiful wood cabinets, and energy-efficient stainless steel appliances. The home offers flexible living spaces, including a home office and a 3-car garage, catering to a variety of needs. The open living areas are perfect for hosting gatherings. The master suite is a retreat within the home, featuring a spacious bedroom, an expansive walk-in closet, and an ensuite bathroom with dual sinks and a shower, all designed to provide a minimalist yet luxurious living experience. This property is not just a home but a lifestyle choice for those seeking to blend modern amenities with eco-friendly living, all within the beautiful surroundings of Ruskin.